Good afternoon, and thank you for tuning in to Choice Cuts. I'm your host, Diamond Dog Dan. We got a great show for you today. We're going to spotlight the theme of time. I got into radio in college. I worked for a while at the St. Michael's radio station, just very part-time. I have Parkinson's disease, and there's no cure for Parkinson's. Part of Parkinson's is that you not only have a tremor, which I have, which makes it a little challenging to work the board here. Oftentimes your voice is affected, so you have to speak in a low voice. So I have to be mindful of speaking up into the microphone when I'm on the air. I was an educator, both a classroom teacher, and then I became an administrator, a school principal. I was a school principal for 34 years. How did I get involved with the Media Factory to begin with? Well, I've been doing this DJ work for about 2 years. I started off with one show, which was the Vinyl Jeopardy show, where I play all cover music. And then I decided I wanted to have a show that had something different than cover music. The staff here is very supportive. They help you out whenever you have a problem. They're right here, right on the spot to help you out. And it's a volunteer position. I'm not being paid for this, but I'm rewarded every day when I have my show. And we're coming to you, as always, from the Media Factory in the south end of Burlington, Vermont. This is 99.3 FM WBTV-LP in Burlington.